welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Cook With Me. Well, today we're going to be using up some of the garden vegetables that are coming in fast and furious this time of year. And the two that we're going to be working with are zucchini and tomatoes. I'm sure those of you who have gardens are experiencing an influx of those two vegetables. So what we're going to make is a zucchini tomato casserole. Now, I've made this several times before, and it's absolutely delicious. So we're going to have that for dinner tonight, along with some baked salmon and some rice. And I'm going to get it started now. We're not eating yet, but I will get the casserole done, and I can reheat portions of it later on for dinner time. So let me take you down to this table, and I will show you how to put together. It's very simple to put together the zucchini tomato casserole. Be right back. Okay, I have a 9x9 pan here that I have greased, and I'm just going to set it aside. In this bowl I have a cup of mozzarella, and I'm going to add to it a half a cup of freshly grated parmesan. And we're going to mix some spices in this. We're going to start with some garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and then we're going to have a teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of basil. See if I can get that off here. Oregano. And I'll put my little top back on before I forget it and go to shake it the next time and end up with a whole plate full of oregano and a teaspoon of basil. Okay. Now we're just going to mix those around a little bit. Now it calls for 2 zucchini cut up. I have only cut 1. I have another one here if I need it, but it was a big zucchini, so I don't think I'm going to need 2. And we're going to start by doing some layers. We're going to layer zucchini in the bottom in just a single layer. Now I'm going to mix about 1/4 of this cheese on here. Top it with some tomatoes. All right, and we're going to do it again. It's said to add salt and pepper to that cheese. Hold on. And I didn't, so I will add some in here now. think I'm going to be able to just about get one more layer. Which will be plenty for the two of us. And what you do is you basically just keep layering this until you've used up all of your stuff. A little stingy with the tomatoes on the last layer, but I think it'll be fine. Get that out of the way. Now I'm going to put on 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. And it says to use 2 tablespoons of, that was a half, let me put just a little more, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, but I'm going to be using spray butter, and I'm just going to spray the top of this. Okay, and now my oven is preheated to 375. I'm going to put this in the oven covered for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then I'm going to uncover it and bake it for another 20. Hold on a second. Okay, that's going in the oven at 375 for 25 minutes, and then we'll take the top off. Be back in a bit. Well, here it is out of the oven, and it's been sitting as instructed for 5 minutes before we try to cut it. So I'm going to try to cut down in here. Still looks like molten lava to me. And I think I'll use a spoon. Let me get a bigger spoon, hold on. That looks delicious. It also looks hotter than the devil. I'm going to try to get some of the tomato and the zucchini and some crumbs. Let me bring you up. Oh, let me show you first the dish. Sorry I didn't see it. There you go. Oh. Oh, that is so good. Cheesy. The squash is done, but not squishy. Well, this will be my afternoon snack. One more taste. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Thank you for all the nice vegetables in the garden. You will definitely get to try this. It's so good. And not hard just to put together. Just layer it up. So that's all I have for you today. We're going to enjoy that tonight with our salmon and rice. And I will see you again on Wednesday for craft day. We're going to be working on a wreath this Wednesday, I believe. So hop on over. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And give me a like. I'd appreciate it. Leave me a comment. And I'll be back with you on Wednesday. Until then, everybody play nice now. Love you. Bye-bye.